everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful summer macrame tassel earrings. So let's get started. First, you can see here all the materials that you're going to need and you can choose a cord of your choice. For the first model of earrings we have to cut 5 pieces of cord and here you can see the measurements. Now when we have everything cutted, we are going to take our earrings. Feel free to choose any type of earrings that you like, because there are many types and shapes. Now on to making the earrings, we have to take our first piece of cord and fold it in two, creating a loop on the top. And then we have to take this loop and pass it through the earring. And then we have to pass through the loop the both endings of the cord. And after this we have to pull tight. And basically you have to repeat the same step until you put all the pieces of cord on the earring, as you can see here. And here I'm arranging all the knots and I'm pulling them to make sure that they are nice and tight. For the next step we're going to use a little bit of white glue. And then I'm gonna pour a little bit and I'm gonna use also a cotton earbud to help me apply it on the earring. Now we're going to take our earring and then we have to turn it around so the back side is facing us. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of glue on the top of the knots so they stay nice and secure and they don't move around and don't unravel. And after we finish applying glue to all the knots, we have to leave the earrings for a little bit of time so the glue can dry. And after this is done, we're just going to take a little hair comb and we're going to start brushing the cords. So here I'm just imagining that I'm brushing very tangled hair. It's gonna take a little bit of time until it looks nice and straight, but after a while you're going to have this nice and straight and puffy effect. And after this I'm taking the scissors and I'm going to cut a triangular shape. You definitely can cut straight or any other shape that you want, or just leave it like that. It's definitely up to you. But I definitely like this shape. When I finish cutting, I'm just gonna use the comb again to make sure that everything is cutted well, and if there are some parts that needs adjustment, I'm just gonna use the scissors again until I have nice and clean cut. And basically that is all you need to do to make the earrings. As you can see, it was super easy. And here is the end result. I think they look super nice and they're perfect for the summer. Now for the second model of earrings, you have to use the same technique as the first earrings, but this time the difference is that we have to use 7 pieces of cord and do the same knots. And for the next step again, I'm gonna use the hair comb and I'm gonna brush them until they're nice and straight. And when I have that, I'm just going to take the scissors and cut, but this time I'm gonna cut a different shape. This time I'm gonna cut it in an oval shape and I'm gonna make them a little bit shorter, and I'm gonna keep adjusting until I have nice and clean cut. And basically that's it. I really like the end result and I think they look super cute. So that's it for today. I really hope you liked this video and inspired you to recreate these earrings as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!